Hello friends, I'm Ehsan from Bangalore Property, and this is a brand new independent premium project located in JP Nagar BDA layout. HL Comforts, having 8 houses built on 40 by 60 east facing BDA plot with Kaveri water, 40 feet wide road and underground sewage line. Very prime location, developed area, residential area, as you can see. This is going to be a very detailed video. This is ground floor what we are looking at now, fully secured with safety grill. Each flat gets one car parking. There is a security room, transformer is there, and it is a completely approved project, BBMP approved. Totally 8 houses, ground floor parking, above that 4 floors. This is the 3 BHK plan, roadside facing, measuring 1315 square feet, planned as per Vastu. Each floor has 2 apartments. Front side roadside facing 3 BHK, back side 2 BHK, 100% teakwood doors and windows. And this entrance lobby also can be covered and secured. You can use it as a private balcony. North facing entrance, granite flooring. This is very rare and very few apartment projects. It feels like independent house. The planning, the construction quality and all is very premium. So you have completely granite flooring inside and full teakwood. Hall, dining separate. This is puja room, east facing puja, full teakwood door and frame. Tiles are covered up to 7 feet high. The puja granite platform also will be provided. So this is a separate dining, roadside balcony with stainless steel railing and glass will be fixed in between. 40 feet wide tar road, Kaveri water, borewell. Site itself is a BDA allotted 40 by 60 site. Full size French window with glass on top. All internal doors are polished doors. As per Vastu, kitchen is in the southeast corner. The flats are going to be without any interiors. Price of 65 lakhs for 3 BHK, 2 BHK 55 lakhs. All inclusive except registration charges. So this is kitchen with utility space. Utility is also covered. All the apartments have LPG gas line directly from the ground floor. Separate enclosures are given for keeping your gas cylinder. You need not carry the cylinder on top. Copper pipeline is given. Granite sink, granite platform. This is the first bedroom. Let me tell you the measurements. What you are looking at, first bedroom, this is 12.5 by 9.5 carpet area. Front facing corner bedroom. Living room was 20.3 by 11.5. Dining 11 by 8. Kitchen 7.9 by 9.6. This is common bathroom. Hand wash sink will be coming here. Bathrooms will have Jaguar and branded hindware fittings. Wall mounted toilets. Concealed flush tank. Loft is also given, concrete loft for storage. And shower diverter will be there. Jaguar and hindware branded ones. The specifications of this apartment you will hardly you will find in any other projects. Even high-rise branded builders will give vitrified and normal windows. This is all teakwood and granite. Platform is given for making wardrobes. This is right in the southwest corner master bedroom. 10.9 by 14.5 feet. AC point, TV point. All features are there. Again loft is there in the attached bathroom. This again will have all the fittings, Jaguar and hindware. This was master bedroom. Now let's see the third bedroom. 12 by 9.9. There is a cutout here. This window is facing towards the cutout. You can see the natural light. Right now out of this 3 BHK, totally 4 3 BHK, 2 units are available. Other 2 units already interior is done. Families are about to move in very soon. This video was captured almost 3 weeks back. to other commitments we are able to post it only now. This is the 2 BHK apartment, which is back in the back side. But again, as you see, setback is given, so good natural ventilation will be there. Central lift automatic. For north facing 2 BHK, again entrance balcony can be covered with safety grill. Private entry foyer area you can make. This is the north facing entrance. Again, as per Vastu, full granite flooring, living cum dining. Two BHK measures 1015 square feet. 250 square feet UDS land share. Living is 20.3 by 11.3, living and dining together. Kitchen 7.9 by 11.3. You can see granite platform, granite sink. Utilities also there, 3.5 by 12 feet. Secured with safety grill. Right now, as of today, these 2 BHK out of 4, 3 units are available. This is the utility. Final painting, polishing, grouting is yet to be completed. You can see the fittings and fixtures quality. Builder is a very good reputed builder, HL Developers. They have completed many other projects in JP Nagar. This is puja room, again east facing puja. Full of teakwood door and frame. This is master bedroom. In the southwest, 13 by 10.5. Attached bathroom is there, 4 by 7. In fact, both the bathrooms are 4 by 7 in this. In 3 BHK, it was 4.5 by 7.5 for both the bathroom sizes. Again, same branded fittings, wall mounted toilet, diverter, shower, hand wash basin. All units have solar plumbing done on the rooftop. Solar water heater can be installed. All houses can avail and save lot of bills on electricity. Security room is there on the ground floor. Kaveri water borewell lines are separate. You get Kaveri in the shower and kitchen. Toilets get borewell water. Rainwater harvesting is there. These are the summary of all the specifications. Other information is given in the description of the video. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel. Call us for site visit. Thank you.